I just got to get this real quick stock analysis in real quick. It's not gonna take long, Mom. We got the rate nexus real quick, yo. This has been a hilarious episode. Stocks and crypto. For the stock market, Bitcoin has been made, or Trump has signed an executive order to make Bitcoin and cryptocurrency a part of the Federal Reserve. Their thoughts behind that is cryptocurrency is supposed to go up and have high valuation. There's been a lot of spectics on that. And in my opinion, I think people are just trying to put out bad news so people don't invest in crypto. I think if they're smart up there too. If their people are putting it in the Federal Reserve, I think it's important to do what the government does and do what big companies do. So if they're putting cryptocurrency in a Federal Reserve and expect it to go up to try to get the U.S. out of debt, the U.S. has been running the world or been part of running the world for a very long time. So if they're doing that, they're probably taking measures to probably try to stay ahead of the world since everybody has been talking about the debt. Right. And then, so that's my big sentiment behind it for crypto and stocks. Our top stock tip for the day will be make sure you do your research. Honestly, I know people say that all the time, but the news, what comes out in the news and what comes out on social media is not always going to be how the market moves and how everything's going to end up. There's things that go up and down. The market goes up and down, so you can't just always have positive news about the market. There's going to be negative news that comes out, but when there's negative news that comes out, you do more research so that you cannot be scared to stay invested and keep investing. Flea's boy, Mr. Dot, put in the Discord the other day. Again, we have an investing Discord. Ray Nexus is part of Syndicate Nation.
Shout out Dot, man.
Shout out Dot. He put in there that the fear and greed index, they were in extreme fear for the fear and greed index right now. They say that's the best time to invest in winning assets. So if you have an asset that you feel is a winning asset and you feel is going to do well for the long time because of its technicals and its track record, then now's the best time to buy. This is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your research, and that is the Ray Nexus.
And when in doubt,
Keep it a buck, y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe.